Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am super excited for today's video because Wet n Wild is actually sponsoring this video. I'm going to be doing a full face of Wet n Wild makeup, but I am going to be focusing on all the items that come in the Edit Full Face Kit. In the kit, it includes the Wet n Wild ProLine Felt Tip Eyeliner in black, the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Blazin Berry, the lipstick in the shade Spotlight Red, the Wet n Wild Blush Brush, a glitter single in the shade Brass, and also the Plus Max Volume Mascara. So Wet n Wild products are actually available at wetnwildbeauty.com, Ulta, and other major food and drug retailers, so you can pretty much get it anywhere, which is awesome. Not to mention these products are amazing and super affordable, which you can't beat. I'm also going to leave a 25% off discount code for you guys somewhere on the screen. I'm also going to put it in the description box below, along with a link to get the Edit Full Face Kit, which include glitter, blush brush, blush, mascara, lipstick, and eyeliner. So if you guys want to see how I got my full face of Wet n Wild makeup along with using the Edit Full Face Kit, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so now to start off this look, I already primed my eyes, and now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild The 40 palette, and I'm just going to do a super natural eyeshadow look, nothing too crazy. I'm going to start off by taking this shade right here, which is just a skin tone color, and I'm just going to set my eyeshadow primer down so it's not too tacky. Next, with the same brush I just used, I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Now to deepen up the crease a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade with a smaller fluffy brush. I'm going to focus that into my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade next to it with that same brush. Now I'm going to focus that on my outer corner and also bring it into my crease. Just a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my finger, and I'm going to take this gold shade right here, and that is going to go onto my lid. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right here, also with my finger, and I'm putting that on the inner half of my eye, not my inner corner, but the inner half, just so I can brighten up that area a little bit. And then going back in with that brush I was using earlier, I'm going to take this deep brown shade and just kind of deepen up that outer corner a little bit. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up my lower lash line a little bit later, but next I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild ProLine Felt Tip Eyeliner in the shade Black. This is part of their Wet n Wild Edit Full Face Kit, so if you get that kit, you will get this eyeliner. And I've tried this eyeliner in the past and I actually really enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and just do some eyeliner. I'm going to do a little bit of a wing, nothing crazy. Super quick and easy to do a wing. I love this eyeliner. Remember, I tried it in the past and I almost positive I love this eyeliner, and honestly I do. Like, look how easy and quick that wing was. Like, anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes real quick before mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be using, this also comes in the full face edit kit. This is the Wet n Wild Lash Out Mascara. This is the Plus Max Volume Mascara. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. Like I said, this does come in the kit as well. Just the fact that you can see my eyelashes even though I have eyeliner on is like incredible. That never happens. Usually when I do eyeliner and I put on some mascara, like, you can't see my lashes, but you totally can. I'm digging it. I will go ahead and do my lower lashes a little bit later. But moving on to the face, I'm just going to take my favorite, this is the Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm just going to spritz that all over my face. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Ivory. Now to cover these bags of mine, they are so bad, I'm taking the Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. Looks like this. To set everything in place, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder in the shade Warm Light. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the lower lash line really quick. I'm going to take the same shades that I used up above on my upper lid, mostly the crease colors, and just put that on my lower lash line. Super quick, super easy, nothing crazy. Alrighty, now I'm going to go back in with some mascara and just coat the lower lashes, and then I'll do a second coat on the upper lashes as well. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Douce de Leche. And I'm obviously going to be using this shade right here just to warm up the face. Okay, so next for blush, both of these come in the Edit Full Face Kit. This is the Blazin Berry Blush. It's kind of like a shimmery wine color, and then also the blush brush. Their brushes are bomb, by the way. If you watch some of my past videos, I use this blush brush, or not blush brush, I use this brush all the time for blush. I don't know exactly what it's called, it doesn't say on it, but it's just like an angled like brush, and I use this all the stinking time. I love it, it's so good. But today we're gonna try the blush brush and actually use what it's meant for. I have also tried their blushes in the past, and they are so pigmented and blendable, and they're just so good. So that's what we're going to be using today. So I'm going to dip my brush into there. Ooh, that is wicked pretty. I kind of went a little overboard, but like I said, they are pretty blendable, so I can go blend it out afterwards. But it definitely has like that sheen to it. You can definitely see the sheen, but it's so pretty. I'm going to take my bronzer brush, try to blend it a little bit more, and then I like to go in with my powder brush and then just go over it. That is such a pretty blush color, especially for fall. Wicked pretty. And that blush brush is phenomenal. It's super soft and it applied that blush perfectly. You can kind of see the sheen that it gives a little bit. Alrighty, so now for highlight, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Powder Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. I go ahead and highlight my cheekbones. I like to also highlight the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow as well. Okay, so I'm going to jump to brows really quick before I move on to the lips and then highlight my inner corner and stuff. And I'm taking the Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. And it looks like this. It's one of those like triangle tips. I don't know if you can tell. I'm just going to fill in my brow. Next, I'm going to use the highlighter I used on my face, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I like to have all that matching. I just feel like it adds a little extra pop. I don't know, I just like it. Alrighty, so next for lips, I'm using this gorgeous bright red color. It is stunning. This was also part of the Edit Full Face Kit, and this is in the shade Stoplight Red, and it's so stunning. I used to own this color in the past, and talking about Christmas, gorgeous color for Christmas, and I love the formula of these. They're like, oh, so good. Like, look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love the formula of these. They are so good. I've been using them for years. Ever since I started doing makeup, I've been using these. They have a matte finish. They're creamy. They're pigmented, but it's not dry, and it's just so good. I love it. Alright, so next I'm going to try something a teeny bit different. I'm going to be taking the Glitter Single in the shade Brass. This also comes in the Edit Full Face Kit. and I'm gonna put it on my lips. I want to have a little bit of like a glitter lip going on. Nothing crazy, I don't think. We'll see how it goes, but we're just gonna do something a little bit different. I haven't done this in a hot minute. Actually, matter of fact, I don't think I've ever done this, but I'm so ready for it. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some on my finger. It's like a gel kind of glitter going on. I'm just gonna pat that on my lip. Hopefully you can tell there's little specks of gold glitter, and it just adds like the extra little something, you know? So now that I'm done with the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the same spray that I used earlier, the coconut one that I used like as a primer. So I'm just gonna go add some lashes really quick just to add the extra oomph to this look, and so yeah, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so that completes today's video of me using a full face of Wet n Wild makeup and also items from their Edit Full Face Kit. If you're interested in this kit, be sure to check the description box down below. I have a link there for you guys, and there will also be a discount code that you guys can use towards your purchase. And again, thank you so much to Wet n Wild for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!